In this step-by-step online tutorial, you'll create a set of 3 silver stacking rings adorned with 2 types of hand-fabricated faceted gemstone settings using traditional silversmithing techniques. You'll start by making a trio of silver rings, which you'll size, form, solder, and finish. From there, you'll construct a bespoke stepped bezel setting for your large round faceted gemstone using fine silver and sterling silver sheet, as well as 2 tube settings for your smaller round faceted gemstones. You'll solder all of your elements together before finishing, polishing, and setting your gemstones. The key techniques we'll cover in this project are ring making, including sizing and creating the perfect join, both Paillon and sweat soldering, stepped bezel setting fabrication, drilling out tube settings to create the perfect depth, tips to make sure your rings sit flush together, polishing and finishing, and of course, setting the gemstones. This project is broken down into 17 easy-to-digest narrated video lessons plus bonus technical tutorials. You can follow this project at your own pace, or if you want to take a break, the progress bar will keep track of where you are so you can pick up where you left off. In the resources section, you'll find printable written instructions to keep on your bench, the anatomy of a gemstone worksheet, and a full tools and materials list with supplier links. And if you get stuck along the way, don't hesitate to get in touch. I'm happy to personally answer your questions to ensure you fully enjoy the making process and complete your project.